Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to turn off all notifications on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer, sign into your account, and then go to the right hand top corner, or we can use a swipe gesture. 2 fingers on the trackpad, swipe to the left. And now we can swipe down, click on Do Not Disturb, and now this will turn off all the notifications that we ought to receive, and we will never be disturbed. We can also go all the way down to the dock, go to System Preferences, Notifications, and then we can physically turn off all the notifications for any application required to. If not, we can just do swipe to the left, swipe down, Do Not Disturb. And now you will never receive any notifications unless you decide to do not turn it off, or you just require the notifications to show up on screen so you are then notified on everything that takes place, whether it's the news, exporting files. An update is required so we can quit System Preferences. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.